Dale me gusta. Yeah, dale me like. Hit me the dale, and then what else? Yeah, suscríbete a mi canal. Suscríbete, dale me gusta. What else I need to tell them? What else I supposed to tell them? Oh, and notifications es todo. Yeah, make sure you got them notifications es todo. I need them on todo. Hey, y'all, we got this big grudge race coming up. If I was y'all, I want to watch it on a wider screen than this TikTok phone. Because you see, I got this gimbal, everything stable. You know what I'm saying? We could be able to see it real good. See, y'all on the TikTok, y'all, it's a little shaky. You know what I'm saying? I got to take a step. You got to do all, see, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get on that. Check me out. Yeah. My YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We be here every week. If y'all like it now, you gonna like it next week. And you sure gonna like it when it's a big event. Ooh, you gonna be wanting to watch. You gonna be trying to see something for free. I be flying a drone too. What phone do I use on YouTube? Today I'm using my Samsung Galaxy. I usually go live with my iPhone. But what happened is today I went live, my iPhone was tripping, right? The earpiece had went out. I couldn't hear her in my ear. I had to have my Bluetooth in on speakerphone. So I went up there to the Apple iPhone place, Apple store. Hey, look out, man, my speaker broke. They, okay, we're gonna take care of you, sir. Then so I left the phone. They're like, yeah, since the speaker's connected to the screen, so we're gonna have to replace your whole screen. I was like, hey, all right, but it's gonna be completely free. Just sign here. I was like, all right, I signed there and everything. Went up there, I let them do it. I got that. I left it there. They're like, we're gonna be done in about an hour. So I left, went to go get me something to eat, and then I get back. They're like, yeah, we completed the order. Put you a new screen on it, and one of the buttons wouldn't work when it didn't pass the test, so we're just giving you a brand new one. I was like, oh, okay, big. So I got a brand new iPhone 12, you know what I'm saying, super fresh. I was like, that's a bet. Then when I started putting out my information in it, I had to download all my old apps, and that took a long time. So who I'm going with, which one is it? Oh, this blue one? Yeah. I think I want the blue one, man. All right. Yeah, I want this blue one. Going with the blue one, look out. Yeah, he ain't got the ZL1 tag on it. It says. Oh, I'm betting with the SS cost less. I'm betting with that ZL1. He spent more money.
Right here.
Okay, we got Nathaniel over here. He here from TikTok. Look at him, Nathaniel. Look out.
Hey, y'all ready?
Nathan, we all glad you made it, Nathan. Who else that made it over here from TikTok?
We're going live.
We're going live. All right, y'all, we got my boy. This is where I'm betting with right here. He got that ZL1, got that PPP loan. You know what I'm saying? He went and spent that money. That's why I'm betting with him. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Yeah, man.
Hey, what do you like?
He got his uncle in construction.
What do you like?
Okay, it's Kevin from TikTok. What's up with it, Kevin? We got Kevin from TikTok, y'all. I'm right here, man. Bet 40. Okay, Jared, he said he made it from TikTok months ago. Here come the race, y'all.
Bet 100.
Oh, 100. Bet 100.
100?
Yeah, 100. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, damn. Should I be bet 100, man? Me and you, man. We betting that 100. Nah, I got enough. Damn, they still betting. I'm scared now, y'all. Damn, man, this my boy shit too, man. He tuned by Sam Miller. I know it ain't playing. Golly, y'all. Can we just bet down? Yeah, he got some good gas too. Oh man, I might be the messed up, y'all. Oh man, I might be the messed up, y'all. I smell that good gas, y'all. Damn, everybody point on the other side, y'all. I might be in trouble. Damn. Oh, look at everybody else in. Oh man, what the hell? Oh, they up there point too. Hey, I done messed up, man. Golly. Help. Damn, he the one I bet it, man. I want to reduce it down to 50, man. I done got scared. Hey! Shit, man. What to do, y'all? What to do, y'all? Oh, man, where he go, man? Hey! Hey, man, where he go? Oh, he didn't. That's him. Hey, look out, man. Hey, he's steady running away, y'all. Hey, I'm trying to bet 50, man.
900.
God damn. Man, I want to bet 50, man.
Come on, we locked in 100.
Lock it in, man. It's locked in, man. He finna mess up or something, y'all. Why y'all done tell me this damn car? Man, I done picked the wrong car already. I already know it. Golly, y'all. Hey, y'all, he might mess up. Let me see something. Damn. Y'all talking about don't be changing now. Golly. Man, I picked over there, but they talking about he finna win, man.
I think you man fucked up.
I fucked up? God damn, this shit running. Oh, that's a 16. Oh, both of them here. Wait a minute, man. Ooh, man. I knew it, baby. Yeah, he ran lit, baby. I told y'all, yeah. Yeah. 3 years with my 100. Hey, yeah. He anxious. Yeah. Hey. That Honda.
And we said red light, no red.
Man, we ain't say no red light, no. Hey, y'all, did he say red light, no red? Somebody back this shit up, man. He ain't said no. I ain't said.
I did say that. I did say that.
Hey.
I'm already, you see, yeah.
I see now too. I see one now, one yeah. He didn't say that. He didn't.